Daniel was standing outside the school gate with a heavy heart. The result paper was still in his hand. He looked at the red marks again and again. He had failed his final exam, and fear slowly filled his mind. Welcome to English Learning Sphere. This channel is here to help you speak English easily and confidently. Let's learn together with simple stories and clear speaking practice. Daniel remembered his father's words from last night. His father had said, "Work hard, and you will make us proud." But now Daniel felt ashamed. He did not know how to face his parents, his teachers, or even his friends today. Slowly, he walked home with his head down. Every step felt heavier than before. He imagined his parents' disappointment and his neighbors' questions. The road that usually felt short now seemed endless, and his thoughts became darker with every step. When he reached home, his mother opened the door. She saw his sad face and understood something was wrong. Without asking many questions, she gently took the paper from his hand and looked at the marks carefully and quietly. Daniel waited for angry words, but none came. Instead, his mother smiled softly and said, "Failure is not the end. It is only a lesson." Her calm voice surprised Daniel, and for the first time that day, he felt a little hope inside. That evening, his father returned from work. Daniel felt nervous again and tried to hide in his room. But his father called him gently and asked him to sit beside him. The room was silent, and Daniel's heart was beating fast. His father looked at the result sheet and then at Daniel. After a long pause, he said, "I also failed once when I was your age." Daniel was shocked because he had never heard this story before in his life. His father continued speaking slowly. He explained how he failed an important test many years ago. People laughed at him, and he felt embarrassed. But instead of giving up, he promised himself that he would never stop trying again. Daniel listened carefully as his father described his struggles. He studied late at night and woke up early every morning. He faced many difficulties, but his determination stayed strong. Slowly, his hard work began to change his future. After hearing the story, Daniel felt inspired. He realized that failure was not a punishment but an opportunity to improve. That night, he made a promise to himself. He decided to start again and work harder than ever before. The next morning, Daniel woke up earlier than usual. He cleaned his study table and opened his books. Instead of feeling afraid, he felt focused. Every small step he took made him stronger and more confident than before. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Daniel followed a simple routine every day. He studied, practiced, and reviewed his lessons carefully. Slowly, his understanding improved, and his fear of failure began to disappear completely. One afternoon, Daniel noticed another boy sitting alone in the classroom. The boy looked worried and confused. Daniel remembered his own struggles and decided to help him understand a difficult lesson without expecting anything in return. Helping others made Daniel feel happier. Soon, more students started asking him for help. He explained lessons in simple words and encouraged them when they felt weak. Without realizing it, Daniel became a leader among his classmates. Finally, the day of the next exam arrived. This time, Daniel felt calm instead of scared. He trusted his preparation and believed in his abilities. As he answered each question, he felt proud of the effort he had made. If this practice helped you today, please give this video a like, comment, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep going. Keep speaking.